DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our handy DIY tips. Today, we're going to show you 5 different ways to cut vinyl plank flooring. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, these methods will help you get the job done efficiently and effectively. Let's get started. Method 1. Utility knife. Our first method is using a utility knife. This is probably the most common and beginner-friendly method. Here's how you do it. First, measure and mark where you need to cut. Use a straight edge to guide your knife. Score the plank deeply along the marked line. Make sure to apply even pressure. Once you have a deep score, simply snap the plank along the line. And there you have it, a clean, straight cut. Method 2. Vinyl cutter. Next up, we have the vinyl cutter. This tool is specifically designed for cutting vinyl planks and makes the job quick and easy. Place the plank into the cutter, align it with your measurement, and pull it down on the handle. It's as simple as that. The vinyl cutter gives you precise and clean cuts every time. Method 3. Jigsaw. For more intricate cuts, like around vents or door jambs, a jigsaw is a great tool to use. Trace your pattern onto the plank, then use a fine-toothed blade on your jigsaw. Slowly follow your traced line for a precise cut. Jigsaws are perfect for these detailed cuts. Method 4. Circular saw. If you're working with a large number of planks or need to make straight cuts quickly, a circular saw is your best friend. Adjust the depth of your saw blade to just a bit more than the thickness of the plank. Secure your plank and cut along your marked line. Remember to always use proper safety gear when operating power tools. Method 5. Miter saw. Lastly, we have the miter saw. It's perfect for making quick and accurate crosscuts, especially when dealing with large quantities of planks. Measure and mark where you need to cut. Set your miter saw to the correct angle if necessary. The miter saw is fast and provides consistently clean cuts, making it ideal for professional-looking results. And there you have it, 5 different ways to cut vinyl plank flooring. We hope this guide helps you tackle your next flooring project with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, ring the notification bell to stay updated.